Hi, everybody. I'm Bill Sanders, and this is Watch Art Sci, the art and science of watch collection. Today, what I want to do is to talk about a watch that was unloved and has all kinds of things about it that would prevent people from buying one. Everything from the name to the strap. Most collectors, especially, would say, "I don't think so." However, I found out about this watch, and the more I found out about it, the more I thought, "My God, this is a great watch." Uh, so today, I thought I would have an unboxing. I covered up my address. I don't know why, but I did. And so here's my watch. So we're going to start off with an unboxing right away, and so I can spend the rest of the time talking about it. And you don't have to fast forward to see what the what the end of the story is. So let's get started. Now I got this from eBay, and so let me. This thing pops open pretty easily. They make it easy. They just have this part to tear off, and then you open it up, and it's a very simple thing. Now, when you get one of these things and it has a special box, that means it's been to what's called an evaluator. Okay, let's see what we got here. Um, One of the things that comes with it, get everything out of here. Here we go. This is an eBay guarantee, and they have these little blue cards that they stuff in there. This one says authenticity guarantee, and this one has, I don't know, it's got a picture of somebody. It says congratulations on your purchase. But here's the thing that can really make a difference, especially if you don't have your papers. This is a guarantee that if you want to sell it or something, it has all the information on the back about the watch, and it's got an authentication number and all of this other good stuff that I think you could use. It also comes with the authentication and all of the other stuff from the watch. Well, let's take a look at the watch. Now, this watch is a Chaumet, and Chaumet is a super famous Paris jeweler. They're in the Pas de Verdun, I'm sorry about the pronunciation, where you find the Ritz Hotel and Van Cleef and Arpels and some of the top jewelers in the world. Anyway, so this is it. Get it out of here and take a look at it, and here it is. This is my wonderful watch. Now let me tell you something about it. Okay, the first interesting thing about the Dandy is it's shaped after the Regent diamond. Regent diamond has a history of going from emperors and kings and queens and all kinds of people. I think it's in a museum now. So one of the most famous owners of the Regent diamond was Napoleon, and he put it in the hilt of his sword for his coronation. All right, so that'll give you sort of a connection to it. Now, in looking at the watch, you have it's unusual in a lot of ways. This particular one is called the Chaumet Dandy Arty Open Face. It's got a caliber, what they call a caliber CP12V-V, which they talk about as being made for Chaumet and personalized by Agenor 42OT. Essentially, at the base of it is an ETA 2892A2. All right. I think that was one of the things that people said, oh, it's just got an ETA in it. So, all right. It's got a black patent leather strap to it, and it has a sort of a blue black satin line to it. This line sort of goes throughout the whole watch. It's sort of like a racing stripe or something. It's called a blue satin Baie stripe. It is. Now, the price on steel is brand new, was 95, 92. I've seen one advertised in euros for $8,800, a new one. You don't find many new ones. You don't find many old ones either. Now, the main thing about this watch that I really appealed to me, Agenor AGH 4204. It is on the front side of the watch. And what it is, it sets all of these gears up from over here, where on there are two versions of it. The open face has this kind of wheel, and you can see it better there. And then it links up with the hour and the minute hand. Okay, so what? Well, what it forms is something like a little bridge. I mean, it reminded me so much of the Golden Bridge, the way it came across there. I thought, that's pretty neat. You can see it here, how it's sort of slowly turns. It seems to be, maybe it's the same rate as the second hand, but it seems to be a lot slower than that. And what it's based on is La Grande Rue de Paris, which is a big Ferris wheel in Paris. Now, this watch overall, as a watch to have, they're not for everyone, obviously, and it's a very formal watch. They're hard to find. The Chaumet Dandy Arty Open Face, there aren't many around anymore. They made 200 of them in steel. They made 100 in gold, and the one I found, I'm just having more fun with it. Now, like I said, it's a very formal one, not for everybody, but there's neat stuff about it that I really like. The listed prices on it, I think I saw. I mean, aren't very many new ones around, but if you can find a pre-owned one, turns out that people who own them before, they just don't have that many super formal occasions to go to. Anyway, it's different, and like I said, not for everyone, but it's enjoyable, and I'm glad I found it, and I'm having a ball with it. Let me know what you think, and until next time, this is Bill Sanders for Watch Art Sci, and here's an opportunity to subscribe if you'd like.